Tori Young.
And I'm Dan Wilson. Welcome back to T-Bird TV.
It has come time that we are getting a new superintendent, Don Potter, for next year.
We have interviewed Don Potter and asked others for a few ideas that they think would be good changes for the district.
Well, we did surveys with the teachers, with the community, and with the board, and really they were looking for someone who was student first in their thoughts. Also, we were looking for someone who was a good communicator and someone that would be involved and really care about Circle. I am excited to see the changes that they will initiate. And the new superintendent is a great guy. From the tours that I had with him, he's a great communicator, a very genuine person, and seemed to meet people very easily. So I think he'll do a great job. The thing I'll miss most about Mr. Johnson is just his support and his sense of humor. He's a great guy to work with.
It's difficult to pick just one thing. I think overall the memories that I'll have is just the relationships with people, the bonds that I built with the people that you work with day in and day out, and just the students, the kids that we have a privilege to serve. A lot of joys and pleasures, a lot of challenges, but I think overall it's just the positives of dealing with such great people on a daily basis. I'd like to tell everybody thank you. It's been a real privilege to work with you over the years, and I think the legacy that we have with the new high school and the things that we've been able to accomplish over the last 4 years, it's just been an honor to be a part of, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Well, Circle's an outstanding district with great kids, great staff, great board. The whole thing is just an amazing district that I'm very proud to be in. I want to get to know as many people as I can. I want to go around the district and hear what people have to say about the district, and just really learn and understand and just get to know and establish as many relationships as I can with not only the students but the staff, the community in general.
Now to Clash of the Classes with Alyssa.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Fullington. Welcome back to our second week of Clash of the Classes. This week is the Yoga Challenge.
We gave each of our contestants 45 seconds to do each pose. If they did the pose in the 45 seconds, then they got a point for their class. The class with the most points at the end of the game wins a face to put on the board.
Oh, representing the seniors, I'm Cassidy.
Riley.
And then representing the juniors, I'm Keegan.
I'm Avery.
Representing the sophomores is Avery.
Krista. Representing the freshmen is Lucas.
Ryan.
Why'd you laugh?
We have our juniors with 10,
Oh,
our
yeah.
sophomores with 10, and our freshmen with 9. The game was originally worth 2 faces, but the juniors and sophomores ended in a tie, so we gave them each 1 face.
Janessa has a story about a big change in Mr. Odom's life.
Why did you decide to adopt children?
My wife and I have been married for 24 years, and just we were basically having problems conceiving, and so we decided to go the adoption route. Took about 1.5 years to go through the appeals process, and then when the appeal was denied, the court basically said that it was okay to basically go ahead and finish up the adoption. So the time of starting the process to the end of it ended up being 3 years, and we finalized the adoption on Christmas Day. You know, one thing to understand that there are kids out there that would like to be adopted, and it is a desired need that we do need. We do need kids who need help, and if you don't want to go adoption, looking to become foster parents, because kids need help, and what kids need is sometimes they just need a listening ear, and a good foster parent is one of those people that can do it. And it may lead to an adoption, but it may lead to just a good friendship, to where you become that good kid's ally for the rest of their life. You never know how you can change a kid with just one connection. You'd be amazed.
Thanks for watching T-Bird TV once again.
We hope you have enjoyed it, and we hope you tune in next time.
I'm Tori Young.
And I'm Dan Wilson. See you next time.